All right. Good morning. We are here. We are here early. See what's going on here. It's 120, 26. All right. Check a few things out here. Wait for my live to pop up. All right, there it is. What up, in low? See, I gotta shoot off a help ticket here. Let's see, invoice. Never got the invoice from my master accounts. Trading mints. I'm not really feeling all that much better. I can't hear out of my left ear. I have a really bad headache, but we're gonna power through. Just gonna power through. That's what we do. Do our best to power through. That's all you can do is just try to power through. Prakash, good morning. Okay, here we go. One, let's see here. Is this 80% off sale with Bulenox? That's off of the option 2s as well, right? I think so. Let me see. Oh, indeed. It is off the option 2 as well. That's not bad. Not bad at all. What up, Tech T? Yeah, this is NQ. NQH5. You can see we we come in guns blazing this morning and took a trade. Excuse me. Took a couple trades there. Guns blazing. We got to dial it back. Prakash, we're all right. We're, like I said, I don't feel 100%, but you know, I've taken 2 days off. I've tried to give my body rest, but to be honest, I was still in front of the charts anyway. So you're going to be in front of the charts anyway. May as well stream. I'm over the cold portion of it. Like, I just can't shake this congestion. And I've had my left ear. I cannot hear out of my left ear. And so that's, number one, annoying. Super annoying. And it's caused a lot of, like, sinus pressure. So it makes it tough for me to do. You know, I just don't feel great. What up, Andrea? COVID-19, you waiting for the 30-minute candle to close? Yeah. So I took a break-even trade here, and then I FOMO'd back in and took a loss. And then I bought down here and then sold here. So we're up like 75 bucks. Obviously, I should have just waited. I think we left equal highs there, too. No, maybe not. Nope. So, but either way, up like $75 on this account. Just a single account. I'm actually in the middle of a chat with my funded futures. Let's see here. So they're saying I need to make $4,307, and I'm at $3,900 on this My Funded Futures account. Yeah, like, but it disappeared where I can't trade it anymore. So I guess we'll see what's up. Up 5K. Let's go, Tech T. Morning, Mad Moxie. Nope, Andrea, no payouts in December yet. Haven't gotten there. Been struggling. I mean, I have this account here that's at payout level. It's been at payout all month, but I've been trying to grow the account. I'm only up $900. So I could take the $900, but it's kind of like, what's the point? You know? So, good morning, Predator. So I could take the $900, but there's no real point in it. So I'm just going to, you know, we'll just start the new year fresh if that's what it is. So, start the new year fresh. Let's see, that's on that. Is Apex having any sales? Let me see here. I may have to update that Apex. I don't know if they even have anything right now. They don't even have 80% off, do they? Are they at 50%? Trader Oracle in the house. How you doing, Trader Oracle? Yeah, it doesn't even look like Apex has... Oh, they got 50%? Let me see. I think it's 50%. That's ridiculous. Come on, man. Come on, Apex. Get us a sale out here. 50%? You can do better than that. Today is the last day to buy the Tradeify accounts before they change to the new rules. I don't know if you guys have saw. They're going to 4% drawdown instead of 5%. And they are going to 5 accounts instead of 7. So if you're looking to pick up some Tradeify accounts, today is going to be the last day to get them under the old rules there. Yeah, I've been sick, Trader Oracle, for a week. I got sick last Thursday, and it's been kicking my ass all week, but we're all right. Music, we're on the 1 minute chart. I use all the minutes, though. Profit trade out of business. Yeah. I thought I had removed that like a month ago. Is it still on there? I removed it from the, I must have removed it from the, not... I removed it from the description. I didn't realize it was on there. Let's get in there. What up, Illuminated? But yeah, I'm looking at all the time frames. I just I usually just keep the 1 minute up unless I'm taking a trade on a different time frame, then I'll usually switch. Doing all right, Nonstop Trader. How you doing? Need to update this Apex thing too, since it is not there anymore. All right, let's see. Let's update the Bulenox one to 80%. And then, yeah, that should be it. Apex 3.0 is pretty nice. You haven't experienced some problems requesting payouts. Nice. Yeah, I haven't gotten to a payout yet to be able to take one yet, but hopefully by the hopefully sometime soon, early New Year there. I don't really know if I'll get there before the New Year. Probably not. So we'll do our best, obviously, but probably not. All right. I got to get these charts set up correctly. I don't even know if I'm going to take a trade today on my Apex accounts. I literally have no idea. So if we do, let me go ahead and set it up right here. The it looks like volatility's pretty stinking high. I know that the last couple of days have been a little wild, but I mean, even pre-market, I mean, look at the size of these candles. I mean, these are 20-point candles. You know, pre-market, that's pretty hefty. You're still in the red with them? Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Andrea. Invest. Good morning, Dennis. Good morning. Music, I don't know if we're bearish or not. I haven't looked yet. I have not illuminated. I've heard of footprints. I just haven't really looked into them. Invest is done. Let's go. Since it's your last day of trading for the year, you got your year. Oh, that's nice. Let's go. All right, let's see here. You're long? Nice, Matty Matt. That's awesome. We'll have to look at the larger time frame here to see. I mean, it looks to me like we've already pushed back up kind of into let's see here. Yeah, that's kind of the 50% level there. Yeah, I don't mind that. We'll mark that out-ish. I really just marked that out and then just deleted it. Nice. It's hard to know here. Do have this 15-minute gap here. That might be, if we close below that, then I'd say we go down. Requesting a payout tonight. Let's go. Good morning, Francis. Let's kind of mark a few of these levels out here. I mean, if we close above this, then we're probably going up here. But if we hold below that, then we'll probably go back down. I do think that a push back up into this area is probably needed. Maybe like somewhere in there. Maybe a push up into the 430s is probably needed, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen today. We could just kind of, you know, go sideways. I don't know. We'll see here. We'll mark out these levels and kind of see what we can get it open. But I do think if we inverse that hourly, that we probably go up. Francis, I'm all right. I'm not back to 100%, but we're just going to power through. I can't hear out of my left ear at all. I have a massive headache. My entire, it's like super congested, you know, that's all it is. But we're here. Oh, I need to open a Bulenox chart. That's what I need. I don't have a Bulenox chart open. I want it to be this chart, I think. Yeah. So here's the way I'm going to play it, guys. I'm going to be on an eval. All right, telling you this up front. I'm going to be on an eval. And did I just? Yeah, I did. All right, let's do this. But if I see something that is worthy, I selected the wrong chart, of a funded trade, then I'll take it on the fundeds. I'll switch over to this one and take it. You guys will see it. So That's the way we'll play it. Drawing tools. So again, I think the push into 301, 345 kind of makes sense. I think that's the levels that we marked out. Yep. And then possibly even up there into that 430 level. But, you know, we'll see kind of what happens there. Why is this thing? Why does it just say? I don't know why they're doing that now. Like they don't. They have a this up there instead of the stupid. I'm trying to figure out how to change that. Oh dang! I didn't mean to do that. Getting a possible 1 minute long here. Looks decent. Bounce off the VWAP. Stop is quite large. Good momentum here though. This doesn't look bad. It is pre-market. I'll probably just take this on the eval if I do take it here. But we'll see. Thanks, Andrea. Yeah, take profit time. It's kind of makes sense. Good morning, Robert. Thank you, Labby. Nice to see you too. Hollow Point in the house. How you doing? So, let's see here. Obviously, all right, let's get Mancini's levels put on our chart. I got a cough. Hold on. All right, I'm back. $15 seconds till close. Eval only. I'm going to jump in here. It's 9 points to the to that point there. Yes, pushing off the VWAP there back to the kind of the 02, 03 area. Hey, Nathan Ramirez, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I should have waited for a retest here. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning. Can we rip back above that wick and we'll go break even? Here's our break even. Might just stop us. I do kind of think it goes. We'll risk 4 points. And I'll move my stop to break even at the wick here. All right, I'm just going to take that off. I don't like how it's dancing around. It's pre-market. Let's get out of that. Let's mark our levels out. Still think it's a decent. I think it's okay. I think it probably works. But Mancini says 55, 58, 58 to 66 would be key support today. Wait a second. Oh, 58, 58. Reclaim of 91 would be needed to trigger up. 58 and 91. Reclaim that. We got a 20-point bounce with 0 drawdown. No greed today, locking gains. 59.28. FDS wants it. Um, 58.66 is below. 58.58 to 58.66. Why does 58.58 sound weird when you say it? There we go. Think style may be more spastic than normal, maybe. Long for 167. TP hit. Nice job. Yes, at the VWAP here. Yes, Matty Man, I'll be streaming. All right, news today. We have Michigan consumer expectations, 10 o'clock. 2-star. Not really anything else. A lot of OPEX news. That's really it. A little 2-star news at 10 to Mimi. Good morning. That's really it. Yes, right back to the VWAP there. Oh, let's kind of see what we get here at open. What Price wants to do. Who really knows? What up, Donovan? 240, not that bad TP to reach. Yeah, I mean, it could for sure. Kind of hanging out here at the 208, 209 area. I'm just watching the ES, bouncing around the VWAP there. Good morning, Wayne. I'm still not feeling good, Wayne, but we're here. We are here. Savaga, good morning. What do we got? 15 minutes until open? 15 minutes till open. You have 3 Bulenox. Let's go. Nice job. 3 Bulenox PAs. It was a cold to Mimi, and then it's like been sinus congestion beyond that. So yeah, I just I'm not feeling good, but we're gonna just mash through and do our best. Do our best. Got about 12 minutes until open here. Yeah, it's just kind of glued to the VWAP there. Not a good look for the open here. Nasdaq right there at it as well. Not really Tech T. We'll probably just still stream. We might just be on an eval or something just to kind of. We'll still, you know. Kind of holding up here at the 208s. Yeah, Bassett possibly, right? For sure. I'm going to take a little momentum shot here. Let's see. For fun. That's not fun. It's supposed to go up. Up 685, shutting it down. Let's go. Appreciate it, Nathaniel. You too, man. All right, let's see if this thing would rip. I mean, we had a nice little momentum there. I thought it might just go. Thought it might just go. But no. It's not doing it. Well, we'll push up there. If we get back above that little high there, I'll probably move my stop up here. We'll see. So 225 area. There we go. Up 5 points. I'm going to put the stop in there. See if we can get 10, 12 points here. Watching the ES approach a pivot, so I may kill it if it gets there first. ES still not got to the pivot there. We might get stopped out though. I guess we were up maybe like almost 10 points there. I'm just going to take it right there. What up, Timbo? Good morning, Clarity. There we go. So up 186 there. Good morning, Yoma. Good morning. Still not feeling that well, Yoma, but we're going to fight through it. We'll have the weekend off so we can suffer today for a little bit. Be fine. Yeah, Yoma, we took a break even here on this inverse. And then it kind of dicked around a little bit, failed to close below, and so I re-entered here for a little 11-point, 10-point winner. But that's just on an eval. I'm going to be on eval today. Unless you see me switch over to the funded, then it'll all be eval trades. So we'll see. We shall see. One is set up for life. Yeah, I don't know if it's not really a wick there though. I don't like it because it's just kind of a flat bottom. At open, I'm kind of assuming that we're going to push into the 301s, maybe 340s. potentially 430s. Ideally at open, we maybe get this. Maybe a little pullback into here and then go, but but wouldn't be shocked if it just goes. But I do think we probably pull back down through here, sweep some of this at the 158s. That would kind of be my guess. Blew your 25K yesterday? Oh, that sucks. $20 away from trailing. Oh, yeah, there's nothing wrong. I mean, it was $20 away. It's tough to do anything. What up, Fred? Yeah, I'm sounding better. Like I said, I do feel better, but the problem is I still have a cough. I have extreme congestion in my left ear. I cannot hear out of my left ear. It's completely just closed up from all the congestion and all the draining and stuff like that, I guess. So I'm taking Afrin and, you know, it just says, I mean, basically they say that it could take up to a week for it to kind of pop, but I don't know. What up, AS? Yeah, those are equal lows at 157, John. So is what you want. You want it to kind of at open sweep this, and then we could look for a long out of this area. You know, maybe. But, you know, obviously we'll see kind of what happens, but Nutty posted he's not streaming today. He lost some accounts in the overnight. Oh, did he? It was very, very kind of a violent overnight. What up, Andy? Let me see what Nutty posted. Curious. So he traded overnight and he just lost some accounts. Always sucks when that happens. Never any fun. Never any fun to lose accounts anytime, but says I need to take the day off from streaming. I just woke up in the worst feeling ever. I woke up to the worst feeling ever. I placed a buy order on a key level. I forgot to stop loss, take profit. I woke up to all 7 of my Tradeify accounts and 4 of my take profit trader accounts blown. It was up 80 points at one point. Dang. Well, he didn't lose any of his top or his Apex accounts, I guess, huh? Good morning, Team Tiger. Yeah, Andy, I'm not feeling great, but I'm just gonna push through it today. We'll be all right. I don't know. I mean, a nice sweep of this at open would be nice. I just don't know if we get it. Good morning, Evo. We got open here in less than 2 minutes. Oh, there's equal lows at 176 as well. And 157. The 176 ones are probably a little more obvious, it looks like, on the 30-second. No, that's crazy, RAA. Good morning, Hulk. So we have equal lows here on the 30-second chart. No, I don't, Dennis. So we'll see what happens at open. I would expect maybe a sweep of these levels, but maybe not. I mean, we could just push straight up here and get a short back to here. You know, that's sometimes what happens. Morning, Steve. Let's kind of see what happens here. Kind of chopping around here at open. See if it wants to pick a direction. Just kind of pushing up here. What's it going to do? Is it going to go? Is it not? I don't know. Pushing down here, whole number. Right there at the 50 EMA. ES kind of pushing up there, 908, 909 area. ES pushing there, Nasdaq kind of holding up at the 20s. All right, looks like it might want to run the 176 now. Right back to the VWAP there. See if we can push through the VWAP and tap those equal lows there. Choppy, choppy. Big bounce off the VWAP there. It's got to get through that VWAP there. If it gets through the VWAP, it rips through the 176s, but it's just one of those things where it's got to get through there first. %30 rule, is that a single trade? Yeah, single trade. Single trade, single trade. Yeah, just got to get through that VWAP there. Might. Yes, just going to the moon here. I don't know what's going on here. What in the world is this? All right, let me see. No, it's not about what you lose on a single trade. It's about your drawdown. So if you lost 7 money bag, depends on what size account you had. Thank you for the Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So basically, if it was a 50K account, you went 500 down, you're fine. You're fine. That's no problem. I think 750 is the thing. Yeah, 7 money bag. This is going to be, or to Mimi, this is going to be a eval trade. I'm just kind of watching here. I think that one more push into the VWAP, we should break through there. But let's see. This price action is rough. So I'm going to take a shot here. I'm going to put my stop up here. We're going to go for the 76. Now, this is just an eval only. This is obviously just chop. Yeah, it looks like we're just going to get ripped. Maybe. You've been trading Bulenox? Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, stopped out. I mean, it just doesn't really seem like it wants to go down. That's kind of the problem. Just doesn't seem like it. 4 minis? Oh, no. No, D, this is a Bulenox eval. This is just a Bulenox eval. That's annoying. Yeah, I see it, D. I don't know why it says that. I'm not sure. All right, if we push back up to the top of the range here, 215, 220s, I'll short from there. Eval only. So we'll short kind of from here. I'll just put my stop kind of there. Top of the range, so if it makes new high, oh, did we leave? No, those aren't equal. But if it makes new highs, that's fine. I'll just be out. But just kind of playing off the range here, thinking that we'll move back down into the VWAP area. It's pretty much what we've been doing, so. Still got me. Just not really doing anything here, just kind of in a 40-point range. What do we got? 301 level up there next, maybe? This thing is just push into the threes. It might. This thing is just ripping. Is this going to make it to the 300s? Yeah, this thing is just going to the moon, guys. to the moon here. Straight up here. There's 301. Yeah, I just jumped in on one account there for 64 points. Ripper. So up at $1,200 on that account there. That one was off stream, but it was just a 30-second long entry there. I just took it. Man, look at that thing rip. I wish I was unfunded there. Gotta love trading, yeah. Yeah, I know it. Look at that. That thing just ripped, didn't it? Lily Millie. Look at that thing go. Now this makes sense. Now we're at 50% of the range, which is what that is. Now you might could get a clean short set up. Holy cow. What a ripper. This thing just went to the moon. Excuse me. Anybody else jump in on that momentum there? That was insane. I know you guys didn't see me do it on the chart there, but I jumped in on my MyFunded Futures Funded account there. It just ripped. Looking at the 2-minute here to see kind of if we get us a, potential short setup. Tame Tiger must be a bull Friday. You passed Apex eval. Let's go. Nice job, Fish Lips. So yeah, this stop though is insane. It's 48 points. Can't stomach that on a, You took the short from 300. Oh, that's banging too. You're on ES, Timbo. Yeah, the ES went level to level there. It went 58.89 all the way up to 59.28. Such a huge stop on this short, though. Yeah, 7 money bag. I don't know why they're not doing something. Good job, Nathan. You got plus 1,000 on that move. Let's go. Paper account or not, still. I mean, you could get this still. You still could get this, right? And that's probably more logical. So, on like a lower time frame. Well, obviously we're on the 2-minute, but you get what I'm saying. Could be a 1-minute or a 30-second opportunity there. Stop is just so huge. This is just ES pulling back there, 9/16s. See if we close below the 2 minute here. I mean, if we close below the 2 minute, it's still, I mean, the stop is 45 points, but you know, your target is 67. So it's still a 1.5 to 1. Yeah, Tame Tiger, they gotta up it, man. 50% is crazy. Like, you gotta give us something better than that. Probably gonna see like in 2-3 days, probably Monday, you'll see like 80%. So we'll see what they do. The stop is just so huge here. I actually kind of want a long here, but I'm going to take it on an eval. Stop not necessarily where it needs to be, but if we get stopped, we get stopped. Just eval only here. Yep. Man, we might blow this eval in one day. Down 1,000 on it already. Just trading one mini. That's how volatile we are. I'm okay with them with the eval plays not working though. Really am. I mean, it would kind of make sense for us to go down, but I don't know. Sometimes the market's just so bullish and it just goes up. We'll see. So we got work to do here on this eval. Down 1,000 already. In what? 1, 2, 3, like 4 trades, maybe 5. Yeah, not a bad idea to size down on a day like today. Yesterday and the day before is very volatile like this as well. So I almost feel like a 10-point stop is irrelevant. I probably should just take that off, to be honest with you. I might. I want to jump in now, but it's a problem. Look how volatile we are. 947. Stop is stop is huge. 30 points if you got in now. Let's see if we get a retrace. You know, you could maybe target. You could actually maybe even target all the way down here at 21,000. All right, we're full porting here. Probably shouldn't have done that at the VWAP, but let's see if this thing pushes on through here. It should. Is this really going to blow this account after I was up all those points on that? I guess I should have taken them up there. So technically I was up. I'm up 40 points on that one on the original entry. But it moved my average down so much because of the because I just did the 5. Might blow this account, we'll see. Needed to push back below the VWAP here and clear out these other entries. You know it's going to go. It just might dick around a little bit here before it goes. There we go. Now we're safe. Now I may even take this down even further and put my stop in. Let's put the stop in once we clear out the 176 to break even. And see how far it can actually go. See if it can just rip through there like that. Well, let's just lower this on down. Actually, let's put this up here. We'll take it. We will lock in, let's say, 10 points. So we'll lock in 10 points. I mean, I could take it at 157. I still think it's reasonable to think that we move all the way down here. I think it's not unreasonable for us to do that. All right, stop this out there. So we went from down $1,000 to now we are up $559 after that big play. Anybody else jump in on that? Put it in the OB there. I got in at the close of the OB. Stop technically would have been there, but I didn't even have to stop in. Still probably going to clear out this 57 area. Could maybe reshort here. Wow, it's going to leave those? Maybe. If we push back below the VWAP here, I might short into it. Didn't quite get to it. Little retest there. I mean, if we get a momentum push back through here, I don't know. We'll see. Hard to short it now. You're not knowing where your stop really needs to be. What up, Raphael? Good morning. Guys, we are going to do an account giveaway today, a 50K Take Profit Trader account. I'm going to give that away. We'll start the giveaway here shortly. I do have to pick my kids up early today. They only have a half day. And I have my son's car, so I do have to pick both of them up. If we pop above 250, I might jump in. If we pop it above 250, you need the eval? Yoma. What up, Black Beauty? I had to take his car because Crystal's car broke down. Took it to the shop, spent $2,650, and it's still doing the exact same thing that it was doing when we dropped it off. If that's not frustrating as hell, I don't know what is. So, yeah. $2,650 you leave, and it's doing the exact same thing it did when you dropped it off. It's like, so... none of your business. I'm going to start it on Streamlabs in a minute. We go ahead and fire it up. It'll be a little while before I actually do the giveaway, but we give you guys enough time to enter. Giveaway. There you go. Pile on in there. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, 26. I think it's probably going to lose. Probably should have waited for it to actually close above. All right, there we go. Now we get some momentum. Rip it. If it gives me an OB here, I'll pull my stop up to there. Why is that not moving? Come on, man, move. See, this thing's frozen. Now it finally moved. Stop to break even will be 265. 260? I'm going to go 260. Stop to break even at 260. I'm going to trail my stop up to here. So I'm only risking 10 points here. 260 stop's going to go to break even. Actually, we'll just say this wick here. Yeah, back above this wick. Stop to break even. I'd like it to get above the wick quickly here so we can get this in. So. And. Again, break-even stop will be back above that wick. We want to see expansion above that wick. Get through there, brother. There you go. All right, let's see if she can go. News in 5 minutes. Yeah, Zach, we're at break-even, so we're all good. Stopped out. That's fine. Stopped out. That's fine. What can you do? Exclamation point cash in the chat there if you want to win a 50K Take Private Trader account. Yeah, macro time too. You're right. And technically, what are we still holding? Andy said, I'm here. We're still holding the 2-minute inverse. So we've never made it back above this, even though, you don't really have to, but still it'll be kind of ideal. 150 point range. That's not bad, actually, I guess, after the initial chop this morning. All right, see what the news does. I anticipate not much. ES and NQ are dumping, yeah. It could push down here. Let's see. And if you want to enter the Take Private Trader, if you've never had an account with them, that's okay. You don't have to buy anything. You just simply have to sign up for an account. Or you just have, I'm sorry, not an account. So basically you have to create a login that you can get the account for free still. You don't have to buy anything. No purchase necessary. What up, Pine Tree? Oh. Anybody watching Indiana Notre Dame tonight? I think that's tonight, right? Indiana Notre Dame. me set my clock here. Sure. There's a ripper. I guess the news is giving a little boost. I guess it did a little something, huh? Oh man, do we go now? Universal stop blowing counts. Wednesday's interest rate announced basically wrecked the past 2 weeks of NQ gains. Captain, like buying the dips is hard to do. It's hard to do. Let's be honest. It is hard to do. But yeah. Size down, man. Treat an eval just like you would a funded account. I mean, it's really all I can say. It's just kind of size down. I'm going to go stop to break even above that wick. Right there. See if she can go. This is a momentum play, guys. A momentum play. Very, very momentum. It's hard to do. It's hard to size down. I have that same problem, Coach Captain, like at times where you get into, I'm going to give you an example, Coach. I'm going to give you a perfect example in just a moment. As soon as this trade's over, I'm going to show you something. And this is something that not everybody will show you guys. All right, stopped out there. Captain, take a look at this. Look at these trades in here. Now, this is a funded account. My funded futures funded account. This is the epitome of F around and find out. Loss, 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 loss. I dug myself a $1,000 hole, and then because I was so confident in these hitting, I just kept getting stopped out trying to get these lows. And then I jump in there for a 63-point winner that clears out all of this plus some green. But why mess around in here? Why do I do this? I mean, look at all that. So like, if I just wait for this, I'm up huge. But since I messed around on all that other BS that I know better, I'm only up a couple $100. So it's just, I mean, that's a perfect example of just fucking around on an account. Well, you don't need to. You know better, and you still do it. Have a happy profit trade Christmas. Yeah, that sucks, profit trade. Trev, it's been an okay week. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. It's been an okay week. I'm red. I think I'm down 350 across my fundeds for the week. So yeah, take profit time makes a good point there. Nice job, ride 'em. But yeah, I did all that messing around over there for no reason. And then we hit the one banger trade. Or if I just only, you just wait for that trade, or at least not do stupid stuff beforehand. So now we're up 140, well, after fees, $88 after taking a 63-point winner. Sad. I did take that on another eval account, and I'm up $1,300 on that one. But just stupid. Like, why am I messing around on a funded account like that? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Well, I went break even there. It pulled back and got me. I mean, I don't know. I think break even there is fine. I got in kind of late anyway. Yeah, and to me, plus you got to remember, I lost 360 on Monday. I made 420 on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I did not stream. However, I did take a trade, and I got messed up. I don't know if you guys... Excuse me. I don't know if you guys saw the email that came out from Replicanto, but there was something going on between some sort of compatibility issue between Replicanto and Ninja. So when I took that trade on Wednesday, I was actually up like 13 or 14 points. I got froze out, and when I finally got back in, when I was finally able to close my position, I was down $600. Somehow stop wasn't on there or anything. So I lost $600 on Wednesday across all my fundeds. Thursday, we made 220 across all the funded, so that puts us down like 360 on the week, I think, if the math is right. Something like that, 350, 360. So not the end of the world, but certainly not the week we wanted. To be honest with you, since I was break even on Tuesday, basically up $60, and I didn't feel good Wednesday and Thursday good enough to stream, I shouldn't even been taking trades. So that's just the honest part of it. Now, yesterday I blame Husk because he calls me and he's like, I'm in this trade. I'm up 40 points. So I blame him. No, obviously I ended green yesterday, $200, and all he took the one trade. But I wouldn't even have taken the trade if he didn't call me and say, I'm in this trade. I'm up $1 million. I'm up 1 million points. Oh, you find too many trades with a lower time frame? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, Trev. Okay. The HIV is rough. You put some ice cream on it, so try that. No HIV. Never to Mimi. I've never had problems with it, but for whatever reason, that last Ninja update, there's some sort of compatibility issue there. Oh man, this looks pretty good. What is this? 30-second? 1 minute. I mean, I don't know. We got equal lows down here. I'll probably try this. $18. What? Yeah, that's nice, Vince. Let Alex answer. Who's Alex? Dun, 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 dun. You accidentally click on the old NQ contract on your Tradify account, instantly put me in the red. Yeah, Pine Tree, I don't know how that works. I don't know how that works. I know APEX, or one of them I saw that you couldn't even trade. Was it APEX I saw it on? You can't even, your trade would be rejected if you tried to do it on the old contract. This could be, is this, I mean, 345 is not necessarily the level. That was like OTE, but this is in premium. We did sweep this liquidity here. There is a fair value gap here. Except for the stop loss, I like this. Oh, Max to Mimi. Excuse me, Max. I'll take this here on this eval. I would take this on my funded. I think it's good enough, but the stop is too big. So I'm not going to mess with it on my funded, but I'm okay with losing $700 on an eval. All right, looks like we're going to get it. I'm in. And I'm going to target down here. I think. Stop to break even now. Get through this 50, we're going to waterfall into the... See if this thing would rip. I want to see it get through the 50 here in this pivot. Should get a little elevator here. Should get a little elevator here through the 50. Come on, go. I might move my stop back up a little bit. Come on, man. I think this thing's going to go. That's why I'm trying to give it more room. Your revenge now only down 200. What happened, Pine Tree? Oh, good job. Goodness of God. Get in there. Get in that giveaway. Yeah, that sucks, Vince. Well, that sucks. I basically was up like 25 points there and didn't take it, and now I'm about to take a... I was up 30 points, and now I'm going to take a 20-point loss. Oh, well. That's why you're supposed to move your stop to break even there. But maybe we'll get another re-entry. We'll see. Oh, let me make sure that the giveaway didn't end. All right, let me resume the entry. Look at this thing go. These things are ripping higher. Goodness. Who was that? Rob, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Enter the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point cash there. So basically, we're back to break even on this account. That sucks. Man, I should have taken the 25 points. That's so dumb. I was up 500 bucks there. I wanted the full, like, the full banger. I mean, why not? I mean, may as well, right? $21K. It ain't gonna go. Good morning, Tech. Yeah, you're probably right. Yeah. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, so it did tap to 346. I wasn't sure if it would. So if you look on the higher time frame, you kind of have a little wick test here. You could soup this area. I might try it. I'm gonna try a little wick test, a little soup play here. Let me see. I'm just gonna put my stop above the high there. So risking 10 points here for 16. Boom, boom, boom. Popping on the last day before Christmas break. Merry Christmas, Luke. Yeah, that might get us here. ES just going to the moon. Actually already came off that wick test quite a bit there. 15 points. Back below this wick here, I'm going to go into break even. All right, stops into break even. Stop me out. I was in too late there. I should have souped that like at the beginning. It gave 15 points. I don't know. I like the idea of it, but ES is just going to the moon here. Hell, I don't even have the next level up on the ES. Let me mark it out. Right now, anything below 15 minutes is low probability. Yeah, probably true. What up, Citizen Zero? Merry Christmas. Citizen 00, we're giving away a 50K Tick Profit Trader account. Get in there. Any more today is bonus. $59.37, $59.55 next up. I will say it would probably be a good time. 59.87. Like the ES is moving pretty good. Oh, excuse me. Maybe this does rip back lower now. Look at there. Dirty. How many people we got in on this giveaway? Let's see. Where's that? 69 people in. Stop entering the giveaway. We're at the perfect number. No, I'm just kidding. Glenn, exclamation point cash. So, oh, you're taking 17 days off? Let's go, Loot. Yeah, Levy, I have all the time frames pulled up, but probably worth reaching out to support. It's my fault. Yeah, I mean, you can always ask, right, Pine Tree? I mean, like I always say, I mean, the answer is always no if you don't ask. Close at 69 is your lucky number. Fat sacks. Loot bag. Glenn, no space. Exclamation point cash. Just like you see above and below ya. Get in there. Get in there. We're going to do the giveaway in about, we'll do it in about 10 minutes. We'll do it at 10:30 a.m. Let me set the alarm. Set the alarm 10:30 a.m. Exactly. That's when you, we're not going to extend it. You do have to be subscribed to win. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, we could push into 430. I do remember marking that out. I don't remember why. Was 430 OTE of that range? I think it might have been. Yeah, 340 or 430. Yeah, that's OTE. I didn't even realize that. Yeah. $430 probably is in play here. $430 probably in play here. If I had to guess. $440's bottom of all the wicks, yeah. Can you have more tickets for the giveaway? Got us if you have more than one account, sure. Binge Boy says, today is aggressive. It is. I'm not one of those people who say you can't enter on multiple accounts. You can enter on multiple accounts. I don't really care. Yeah, it could be Labby. We'll see. Yes, Tamimi. It's just because Tamimi's here. I said, Tamimi's here. Let's do a giveaway. You know, perfect. Yeah, I agree, Labby. Yeah, Loot. I've had a really bad. I don't know if it was pneumonia, flu. It wasn't just a cold. I can tell you that. Pneumonia, flu, COVID, something. I don't know what it was. I did not go to the doctor, as I am a stubborn human being. You know, that's really not why I didn't go. I didn't go because like I didn't realize that it was something more than a cold until probably like 3-4 days in. And at that point, they're not going to do anything anyway. I mean, look at that bounce off the 9. I'm going to take this next 9. We pull back into the 9. Actually, or should I wait for the 21? I might wait for the 21 touch. We pull back into a 21 touch, we might take it. We old folks don't like to go to the doctor? Yeah. You wouldn't go either to Loot? I don't mind going, but, you know. $42 is probably deep enough. You think so? Just get long here. No take profit. Stretch it out to the 430s. And just no stop loss and see what happens. What do you think? Seems reasonable. Excuse me. Come on, get back down there. Give me a chance. Dun, 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 dun. Not pulling back, guys. This thing's going. I hear a helicopter outside. I think so, Matty Matt. It's a drone. Run! We're going to be aggressive here, guys. Man, I need a pullback, but You know, as soon as I press the buy button, it's just going to go down. No, I haven't seen any drones, AG. Yeah, I heard about that in New Jersey. Holy cow. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Yeah, great job, Eddie, Matt. '90s. As soon as I buy, it's going to dump. As soon as I buy, it's going to dump. It's not pulling back for me, so we're just going to get in. Wow. That's called a ripper. A moonshot? Oh, I was going to move it up more. I was going to move that up more. Fast 18 points there. Look at that 430 on deck. Oh, man, I should have pushed it to the 430s. So we're up $650 now. Yes. Look at that thing. To the T, 430. All right, guys, you got less than 3 minutes to enter the giveaway. Goodness gracious. This thing's just going to the moon, man. It's just close your eyes and get long at this point. Yeah, to Mimi, exactly. You're just here going RR. All right, guys, we got a minute and 35 seconds that we're going to draw. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you're not already in there. This thing is, holy cow, it's just ripping. When you hear the alarm go off, we will choose the winner. Let's mark out some levels here. Problem now is we are in OT of the range. So, I mean, we could run back to 700. I don't know. By any moment here, we could really dump it. You use 4 more to start the new year. Let's go. No if and entry, though. Yeah, that's the problem. Remove the sell button from your charts. I need to. All right, we got 27 seconds, and I'm going to press the pick winner button. Right now, we're at 99 entries. We've got 181 people in here. 90 people don't like free accounts. exclamation point cash. Like I said, in 13 seconds, we're pressing the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the alarm. Pick the winner. Boom. The winner is the main views. Where are you at? The main views. You have 5 minutes to make yourself known. Holy guys, I took my private at 410. This thing's up 70 more points. The main views is here. Let's go. Congratulations. The main views. I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Right there. And what I need you to show me the main views is, I need you to show me, click on this icon here, screenshot it. So show me that's your account. Screenshot this and then send me your email that you're using for your login for your Take Profit Trader account. And we'll get that over to you now. The main views, it sometimes takes 3, 4, 5 days for them to put it in your credit bank, but they will get it there. I don't know if my contact is working today or not, but I'll shoot it over to him as soon as you send me the email. I would really like you to send me the email now. That way we can verify that it is you. This thing is just going, guys. I mean, this thing's up an insane 100 more points. I mean, like, what is this? What is this? 10 minutes? We're up another 100 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not even 10 minutes. 6 minutes. We're up over 100 points. I mean, just insanity. Holy cow. Did I risk 10 points here? No, there's no link, main views. All you got to do is just send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel, or either click on your comment and screenshot showing your ability to edit. You know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go stop break even here. It's just going stop break even, guys. There's no point in me doing anything other than that, right? How about another 30-point winner in less than a minute? Boom! Oh my God. Oh goodness. This is insane, guys. Yeah, no rush, main views. If you don't get it, it's okay. But if you don't get it to me right away, it's fine. Nice job, Fast Eddie. Yeah, Trev, that's crazy, right? It's so tough to do. Point, click, pray. Crazy, yeah. Yeah, Nathan, maybe you shouldn't have shut down if you got long. I mean, this is insanity. Just straight up. I shouldn't have tried to short, I guess, earlier, huh? Someone said take the short button off my thing. Yeah, I should have. Where's Husk at? Let's go, Clarity. Keep throwing them down. Throwing them down. You're pissed, Trev. I don't know, Trev. I don't know. This is point, click, take profit. I mean, I was thinking here just to do that, put it at break even and see how far it can go. But then I was like, 410. There was a swing here. You see this little swing? And I was like, yeah, I'll just take it there. And then, you know, it just kept going another 100 plus points. That's all. Well, 30-second short here. I don't think I'm going to touch it. Yeah, I was long. I should have went long earlier. This morning I was shorting over here, trying to short, which we did take a good short here. I entered here, you know, went down 76 points. Blew your 50K XFA yesterday and up 3K on your 150 combine. Let's go, Kofer. Yeah, it's tough to trade. I mean, like, you have to just kind of... You just kind of have to squeeze the butt cheeks together and get long. Fix this dumping. Yeah, clarity. That's kind of how it goes, right? If you can go 1 for 1, it's all that matters. $6.6 trillion of options expire. Man. There's a 30-second short trigger. I don't know that I take... Do I take that? I'm not taking it. It's either take a momentum trade with a huge stop or wait for a pullback. Yeah. And the pullback, you never know, right? Dang. Long from 338. Let's go. Dang. Even the 30-second has a 22-point stop. No way you're shorting? Yeah, I was thinking about it, Tech Player. I was thinking about it. I'm curious to see if this first inverse gets wrecked here or not. It looks like it is. If it gets wrecked, I assume we just go higher. I mean, you're just going higher, right? All right, got wrecked right there, but see if it makes a new high here. I'm going to go stop to break even back above the high. I'm not going to give this too much room, though. I'm not going to be too crazy here. We're going to go... We'll go 20 points. To the moon and beyond until it doesn't. That's right. All right, looks like it's going to stop us. Maybe. Wrecked. Now, this would be the second. Technically, this would be a lower high. There is a 30-second short here. That could be interesting. But there is no manipulation leg, though. You want to see a manipulation leg higher. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it could be loot. Who knows? I'm being aggressive. Eval, so we're not on a funded here. Nah. Okay, now the ES did not make a high, so we do have a small SMT here. This is very bullish, but I might take this on the 32nd. So we now have a manipulation leg with an SMT, you know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what we get. Kind of riding that 9 though, still. Still riding the 9. Need to have like a nice elevator candle here. Close below. Nice little elevator. You don't want it to just kind of grind. All right, Trading Mints. Appreciate ya. I'm going to switch back to the 1 minute. I'm still watching the 30-second over here off stream. So. Yeah, it could Pine Tree for sure. I mean, we've already just pushed up. 800. Yeah, that'd be another 300 points. Wouldn't be. It's not outside the Nasdaq's range, though, right, Devin? Could do it. The good old Nasty can do a lot of things. All right, here we go. That's a nice looking candle. Let's see here. I mean, here's the thing. Like, you really wanted that to close on this candle. I don't love that it kind of bouncing around there. It's not really, you know. I'm still going to take it, but not as clean as I would like it. Let's go, Devin. Nice job. All right, let's see if this thing can push through here. Watching the 30-second chart here, I mean, like, the lack of momentum here doesn't give me a ton of confidence, to be honest, in the short. I really like to see more momentum here than just this grindiness. Thinking about trying a little long stab here, to be honest. I'm going to go ahead and long here. I'm in 2 contracts, so I want to just take one off at 10 and see if the other can run. Got in late here for sure, but there we go. So now stop to break even. See if she can just go. See if it can just rip. And I mean, I don't know. Should we just, I don't know where to target. $5.99 seems insane. $5.50 maybe? I have no idea. Yeah, it may not matter. So back up 1,000 on that account. Stop me out there. 602 is a pivot. Yeah, I mean, that would be a good area. See that. But, I Maybe we just keep buying the 9. I don't know. You want to get 5 150Ks? That'd be nice, Coper. Where's previous day high, Devin? I even have it marked. I can go look, but I'll look in a second. Or you could just tell me. $695. Okay, nice. That's a good ways up there. Tiny, nothing wrong. Yeah, Coper, that'd be use that money to kind of pay yourself, and then yeah, nothing wrong with that. I don't know, man. The shorts just like I don't. It might pay at one point, you know, like it might actually pay, but like I don't know. Scary, scary to short. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, D. That's awesome. I should probably be doing that. Size down a little bit, go to micros, considering the volatility, right? I mean, I'll still take this short if we get a nice red candle through here. Nice full body candle. And close heavy. But I don't really think that's going to happen. And if it does, we might just get our face ripped off. You never know. I was originally thinking of going 2 minis on the short, but I think I'm just going to go 1. That's a pretty heavy close there on the 30-second chart. See if the next candle can get below 497.50. All right, Maine, let me check it. Let's see here first. Let me manage this trade first. Here's the close. All right, I'm in. I'm going to kind of target down here. This is break even. And obviously a close back above is our stop out. And it looks like we probably get ripped here, but we're going to try it anyway. I was like, that's not the reaction you want, you know, when you enter a short. Okay, the main. What's the first letter of your? What's the letter of your first name? First letter of your first name. Only you would know. All right, that's all we need. We'll get that sent over to them now. Oh, the car place is calling. Hold on. All right, Binge Boy, good luck. Appreciate you. All right, well, we got wrecked there. I mean, you know, it's one of those things. This is, it's hard to, it's kind of hard to short this thing. It really is. We just took a 20-point loss, so let's see if we get a little bit of it back, just longing. Maybe stop with the shorts altogether there. We're in the macro here too. All right, got 10 points back. 10 points seems so small on a day like today. Appreciate you, main views. Appreciate you. Yeah, that was the car repair shop trying to say there's nothing wrong with the car. I told you guys they were going to say that. I don't know. I'm annoyed by them. Pay them $2,650, and they're like, oh, there's nothing wrong with it. But when we picked it up yesterday, it literally would not go over 50 miles per hour. So he's like, I've been driving it all morning, and it ain't did it one time with me. So kind of annoying. If you'd bought a put and a call at the start of the week of every day this week, I would have probably made some decent money. Yeah. Yeah, take profit. I mean, it's just one of those things, but I've already paid $2,648, $47. I don't want to freaking, you know, take it somewhere else and spend more money. I'd rather just buy a new car. That's what I was kind of, that was what I was kind of saying from the beginning. It was like, I'd rather just pick up a new car, but you know, we've sunk so much money into that car this year that makes it frustrating. I mean, you spend $2,650, you would think that the car would be fixed, right? It's not like we're talking about a new car here. It's a 2016 Explorer, probably worth like $5,000 or $6,000. So I basically just spent almost a third of what it's worth for the repairs. So that's what makes me mad. Yeah, Fast Eddie, the problem is the rates are kind of high, but you do get okay rebates and stuff. So I don't know. Crystal's just not a fan of buying a car. I'm not either, but I'm kind of a hard ass when I buy a car. So, you know, I like to, you know, I like to get I like to get a good deal. Good morning, Life Prop Firm. So that means making multiple trips to the dealership. I'm not someone who's going to be in there like, hello, yes, you can have my money. Like, no. No. I'm like, oh, the MSRP is $30,000. I'm going to need that for 26. You can take this rip-off sticker off the window. I won't be paying for that. You know, any extras, tinted windows, the stupid nitrogen air in the tires, the paint protection film. I'm not paying for any of that shit. Like, you take me to a car dealership and they got those extras on the window. Like, no, I'm your nightmare. I'm not paying for that shit. So, EV has great rebates. Yeah, she don't want an EV though. Yeah. Not paying for that stuff. Make sure you get a car with a soft seat. Yeah. You want to film the conversation? Trust me, Fast Eddie. I've been in dealerships before. Like when I bought my son his car, I was at the Chevy dealership looking at the Chevy Colorados, and they only had two on the lot that did not have a rip-off sticker on them. And they would not come off the MSRP. We were literally $2,000 apart from making a deal. And I walked out. I walked away. I bought something else over that $2,000 because they wouldn't budge. And then, of course, they call me every day for 2 weeks after that. So, Trading View is stuck. Yeah, should make a second channel. Yeah, I walk away. I don't know. I'm just one of those people. I don't have to buy right then and there. I'm gonna try a little bounce here. Just quick 5 points if we can get her. There we go. So up $700. We got our almost the entire loss back that we just took on that short. Now, Crystal says she's the type of person, she goes in and says, you want how much? We've never bought a car together, so, you know, it'll be interesting to see. Over 5 years life prop firm. Do we just keep taking these 20-point or 20-tick bounces? The gap insurance they add. I don't mind gap, Joe. I don't mind that. She said too long. See, I knew she was listening. Yeah, I don't mind the gap insurance. I mean, I'm a believer in the gap insurance. Unfortunately, it is expensive, but I do think you need gap. ES touched a pivot up there at 82. Let's see here. If we get back above the 9 here, I'm going to take a long. Or if we touch the 21, let's see. Just a scalperoonie. Yeah, good bit of distance between the 21 and the 50. Scalperoonie. Try a little 21 bounce here. Break even on the second. See if we can run. Awfully close there. I might have should have just taken it. All right. It got me on the runner. Try to get a little runner going there. Couldn't do it. Tried to get a little runner up $856 on this account after all the back and forth. I mean, like, I feel safe taking these little small bounce trades just because, like, we've held the 9 and the 21 the entire way up. I mean, if we lose the 21 here, we probably, I mean, look at this entire run up. Just riding the 9 and the 21 the whole way. So if we lose the 21, we're probably going to get a decent pullback, maybe into the 50s. But as long as this kind of holds up, you kind of expect us to just continue grinding higher up into that 599 area. We'll see. It's kind of different kind of trading than what I normally do. It's kind of just finding spots for just small bounces. There's a little bouncer. I might take that. So we get through there. Oh no! Don't you do her! Don't you do her! Should run here if we pop that 9. We are. There we go. Got our hundy. Up 950. On days like today, it's so easy to get these freaking 20 tick bounces. I mean, it's insane. It feels easy anyway on a day like today. Anybody else just playing these little bounces? I mean, it's kind of fun to do. It's risky, but it is fun. We got the proper attire, you know, little go gamble. Little go gamble. What time is it? 11 o'clock. I'm going to have to end the stream in a few minutes, guys. I would like to stay on longer, but since I got to pick the kids up. Husk over there sounds like he's clenching the butt cheeks. Looks like the 5.99's on deck here. All right, appreciate you, Predator. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for you as well. Enjoy your vacation, your time off. Exactly, Mark. Look at this thing. We short sold ourselves. We short sold. Runners are good for a day like today. And look at that, 40 points up. Goodness. I bet you I could jump in now and get 5 more points easy. Risky. I'm going to try it. Nah, I can't let it go red after that. Chasing that high, you can't let it go red. Sorry, up 987. You cannot let that go red at that point. There we go, 78's here. I was kind of watching the ES there. I was approaching that key level there at the 87. I mean, holy cow, man. Let's see what Mancini has to say about this. He's going to say, any more today is a bonus. Just let runners work. Let runners work. So, 87 to 90. 90's the next level up. I mean, we're there now. I mean, we're just going to the moon, guys. It's just insane. This is insanity. Yeah, somebody said, who said that earlier? Take your short button off your screen. Just delete the short button. It doesn't need to be there. Got that long 50 points. Let's go, tech player. Hey, better be lucky than good, right? All day long. Equal highs. Didn't quite get there. Pivot point 602. Somebody called that out earlier. There it is. Previous day high 697.75 up there. Looking in play now. Appreciate you, Luke. You have a Merry Christmas as well. I might take another stab here. I don't know. We get a pullback into the 90. I might full port. If we get a pullback into like the 90 to 95, I think I'm gonna do a full port play here. You guys want to see? Yeah, of course you do. We're gonna go for a 1 full port play to end the day. We need a pullback. Are we gonna get a pullback? I'm not seeing a pullback. Exactly, trader on tilt. Let's see. Can we get a pullback for a full port play? Pullback, full port play. How do you get the stops to extend the line? I have no idea, D. I don't know. There's the 10. I really need like the 95 is what I'm thinking. Somewhere in that 95 area. There's the pivot. I'm in. Boom. You see how fast that was? Look at there. That was lucky. And then we dumped. I made $700 like that. And then we dumped. Oh my goodness. Whoo. Better be lucky than good. May want to end the day on that one, huh? That was a beauty. That was a beauty. Up $1,658 now. 2 more of those that we can pass this. Oh. There's the bounce we wanted, but that went way deeper than we thought. Do we try it again? Seems risky. I don't want to press our luck. Let's just leave it at that. We might come back today and do the power hour. We'll see. So you could see that coming on the 5 seconds. Woo! I'm glad we got it. I mean, I do think we push back into the 628s here. I really do. We're above 605s. I think it just continues to go here. That's a very bullish candle there. We'll size down. I don't want to do anything too crazy, but I might try a little push into the 28s on a 1 contract. And we'll leave our stop at like 90. Just kind of late entry too, but we'll take it anyway. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Yes, still pushing higher here, 997s. Got to be patient on these pullbacks. I actually should probably just put the stop down lower too. Yeah, let's do that. It's fine. We can just add into it, average into it. We get the little 9 touch here. Maybe we'll add in. We add one in there, average down a little bit off the 9. There's my alarm. Retest the pivot here. Back above the pivot, I might average in a little more. So you needed to trade on the new contract. So give me my money back. Is that what you told him? Give me my money. If we pop the pivot here, I'm going to add. I'm going to reduce risk here, though, down to just the bottom of that. But if we pop the pivot, I'm going to go ahead and add. See if we can't get a quick 5-point push through the whole number. Pop the pivot, and let's go. Come on, you can do it. Let's see what we can do here. Can it go? Can it go? No. Just go. Just go. Go to your home. Nah. Up $1,806 after that exchange. Boom, $1,806 on an eval. Just one full port play today, too. Not too bad. Only one. It's going to go through the 28s now, huh? Do we chase? Yeah, I think we chase. Why not? Chase? All right, guys, I'm about to go ahead and go. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, let's go, Jeff. Nice job. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We'll be back live maybe this afternoon. Be safe if you're trading today. This volatility is crazy. Get rid of that short button. Just long it. Just long it. And if you guys want to support the channel, again, Bulenox 80% off Option 1 and Option 2. 40% off Take Profit Trader. And 10% I think off My Funded Futures. And we still got the 35% off Tradeify. Appreciate you guys. And we will be back either this afternoon or Monday morning, one or the other. And we'll see you guys then. Hit it. Hit it. It's trying. See you guys next.